Hi, this is Ben's Machine Shop. This is part one on making a lot more space in the workshop. Now this is where I hope to start. Hope to clear all this away to give me a lot more room. A lot more space. Needed space. To start with, to dismantle the milling machine, all in sections. I want this taken away in one piece. A lot of heavy work. Now this is the little bench I hope to use to carry the milling machine. My son had this for a chop saw, no longer needs it. Strong little bench. Now this is it stretched out. Sturdy little bench. This should be strong enough to carry my milling machine. 4 bolts, 2 on each side. Now, I was going to put 2 struts, 1 on each side, but no need to. But I'm putting a length of bar across for to carry a shelf in the centre. Starting to dismantle it. These are all very heavy parts. I have a good lot of it red. Now this is all good cold roll steel, large vise, 2 compressors, base plate ready to be lifted down, all cleared. Bench and all away. A nice bit of space. Little bench in place. Leveling screw. Looks nice. Bar to carry the shelf. This is it. This is where it's going. Now, this is not the proper shelf. There's the bar in place, but I'm putting a shelf right to the wall. Base plate in place, column bolted down. All has to be levelled up. Drawers needs cleaned up. Table in place. Now this is a solid piece of brass. I got and given to me. I'll show it later. A lot of stuff stored below the bench, out of the road. Another shelf, handy, 2 compressors. I have a motor for one, but I need a tank, which I hope to get. Now, as I say, this is part 1 of making room in my workshop. There is going to be some workshop of Keith Rockers, VintageMachine.com. Good luck with it, and you have plenty of room. So look out for part 2. I hope I have a lot more to do yet. So I want to thank you all for your comments and your emails. I haven't got around to getting in touch with you, but I want to thank you all for watching. This is Ben's Machine Shop. Look out for number 2. Thank you.